Okay, but do it uh means fast because tomorrow is your exam, no?
Yeah, I know. I'm just yeah.
Okay, do it
If you want,
fast.
I can do it later. I haven't. I just have
No,
5.
no, after that, we will let us check your answers. Like we
Okay.
can take, okay? Just take 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, Zainab.
Yes, I just
Why
finished. So
you? Why you disconnected?
yeah, because I closed because you know when I was about to highlight incorrect, and when you are in the audio, I can't hear them talking. So
Oh, okay, okay. So done. Submitted.
yeah, I already submitted. I will just if you want. I think they takes time, but I share with you.
They take some time. Let us practice of the other tasks. After that, we will do this. We will discuss these.
Yeah,
Okay.
no worries.
And any other tasks that you have attempted?
Yeah, I try to. Uh, I was reading this, the collection of words I make it for spelling. So I was revising these words, and
Mm-hmm.
I did like just section wise. I did a lot of the reading. Still, I'm not comfortable with. I keep doing mistake, but I did three of them. I did full marks as well. So yeah, I try my best, but it's just stressful.
Okay. So okay. Now okay. Let me present my screen.
Hmm.
1 minute.
Usually, I don't study anything before one day exam. This is the first time actually, but because I feel I just need to practice.
Okay. So let us discuss the task a little bit. Means
Okay.
every task. Let us discuss.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Let us start with the read alouds. Just simply start giving the answer. Okay.
So I will start, right?
Yeah.
Scientists have achieved the restoration of impaired brain function in mouse models of stroke by utilizing small molecules, which may hold promise as a potential therapy for stroke recovery in the future. Explains that the treatment has demonstrated the ability to partially restore communication between nerve cells in significant areas of the brain that are affected by stroke.
This is small molecules, not molecule. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
here impaired brain function in mice models. Okay.
Hmm.
Mice
Okay.
models. Here, even if you want to say TEDUs, you can say this one even.
No, I don't think I will be able to.
Okay. So yeah, that's just fine. Let us do the next one.
Planets play a crucial role serving as a foundation and contributing to human well-being by providing resources such as food and medicine in order to gain a deeper understanding of how planets can adapt and remain resilient in the face of the challenges like climate change. Scientists has developed an innovative mathematical model.
Okay, very nice. Hmm. Okay, this one.
Yeah, the correlation between elevated blood pressure levels and a multitude of health complications is widely acknowledged. However, recent studies have shed light on equally concerning aspects. Researchers have discovered that these fluctuations in blood pressure can not only be determined to the overall health but also act as potential to the developmental of dementia and vascular disease.
Yeah, potential precursor. Okay.
Carson, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, one more.
Okay.
1 minute.
This one?
Yes.
Around 250 million years ago, 700 species closely related to the modern-day crocodile known on the Earth. Now, new research reveals how a complex interplay between climate change, species competition, and habitat can help explain why just 23 species of crocodiles survive today.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, let us do the repeat sentences. Shabazz, listen.
A study skills seminar is on for the students who require assistance.
A study skills seminar it is on for students who require assistance.
Would you pass me the textbook on that table?
Would you pass me the textbooks on that table?
The investigation aims to find the stand of the problem.
The investigation aimed to find the stand of the problem.
There are various approaches for plagiarism across different university departments.
There is various approaches to plagiarism in the university department.